Okay, what are we talking about? We are solving this system. Right. So take this and I put it into a matrix. So 1, top left. So 1 right there. 5, 7, minus 2, minus 7, minus 5. Okay, you can put a line there or you can drop it. Does not matter to me. Okay, so what is my goal? My goal for now, okay, I'm going to be more precise about this method eventually. But for now, let's just say this is my goal over here. So I got a 1 in the top left, so that's good. So I'm going to change the second row. I'm going to go row 2 plus 2, row 1. Okay, so again, I wrote this kind of instruction beside the second row. That was not a coincidence. Okay, I'm indicating to my reader that I am changing or have changed this second row. Okay, so what do I get? Negative 2 plus 2 is the 0 that I wanted. That's this 0 up here. Then I have negative 7 plus 10, which is 2. Negative 5 plus 14, which is, what's happened here? I feel like something funny has happened here. Negative 5 plus 14 is 9. I'm sensing a mistake. So this is a case for Captain Double Checker. So what did I do? I did this operation. Okay. I went row 2 plus 2 row 1. So negative 2 plus 1 is 0. Good. Aha. Negative 7 plus 10 is not 2. It is 3. There we go. That looks better. Now what? Maybe not so clear with you now. Well, I want this one here, right? So why don't I go ahead and divide my second row by 3. So actually I'm going to do 1/3 times row 2. Now, you'll remember that this corresponds to equation 3y is equal to 9. So the next step I would do there is just divide both sides by 3, right? So that's what I'm doing with this operation here. Okay, and what do I get? I get 0, 1, 3, and then the 157. I'm not changing that. So now what? Well, if I look at my goal, I want this 0, right? I want that 0. 0, 1, 3. So I'm going to go row 2. Well, how can I get a 0 here? Well, I can take 5 minus 5 times that 1 there. Oops. That should not be a 2 there. That should be a row 1 minus 5. Row. What's happening with my life? row 1 minus 5 row 2. Okay, important to point out what's happening here. Okay, we often forget that. It's important. Okay, what I have is 1 minus, well, just 0, right? So it's still 1. That's important that remains a 1. Here I have 5, and that's going to be subtract 5 times 1. So 5 minus 5 is the 0 I want. And then I have 7 minus 15 is negative 8. Okay, so we see now why this was my goal up here, because I can convert this back into equations to get 1x plus 0y is minus 8, 0x plus 1y is 3. So x is minus 8, y is 3. And there's my solution, and I'll say we usually skip this. Okay, exercise, something for you to ponder at the end of this video. Three equations, 3 variables. I'll try to solve this. And in the next video, I will go through it. Let me just double check that. All right, give it a shot. And next video, we'll solve